Liaoning Labita Steel Group is a Chinese industrial enterprise located in Shenyang, Liaoning Province. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters and produces approximately 20,000 tons of steel structures annually. We provide professional design services for steel structure warehouses, steel structure workshops, office buildings, commercial buildings and others. Our products have been exported to 80+ countries. As a leading supplier in China's steel structure industry, we maintain excellent quality standards. We have passed the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification. Also, we have U.S., FM and Europe CE certificates. We are excited to talk about your specific requirements and provide you with a customized solution that meets your needs. We are confident that our products and services will exceed your expectations and contribute to the success of your projects.